Mayo is delicious, and if you agree with Alex, the French cooking guy, and I, it's actually one of the mother sauces. It shows up on sandwiches, in salad dressings, and today I'm using it for some potato salad. What if I told you you could make it at home for way cheaper and way less time than it even takes to run to the store? All it takes is a little bit of elbow grease and the right tool. If you just need a little bit of mayonnaise, probably the easiest way to do it is with a whisk in a bowl. Take an egg, we'll add the yolk to the bowl, big pinch of salt, and start whisking. Once it starts to get foamy, you can add the oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You could add any neutral flavored oil, but you want to start with just one drop. And whisk it in, and then another drop, and whisk it in, and just keep whisking and keep dripping. Once it starts coming together, you can add a little bit more at a time, but you still want to add it very, very slowly and whisk constantly. And as you can see, it's really close to getting there. It's so close. I'd say it's done, but the way you can find out is by turning the bowl over. Looks like we're good. Now, what if you need to make a lot of mayonnaise? Well, that's what machines are for. Got 2 egg yolks in my food processor. Toss in some salt. Start that spinning. It takes a little bit more yolk to go, but we're gonna add our oil. And there we have it. Beautiful, fluffy mayonnaise. Better than anything you'll find in the store.